Dear friends, college fellow seekers, I am honored to share a few thoughts on achieving peace and a better life, drawn from the profound wisdom of Buddhist philosophy. In a world often characterized by speed and stress, Buddhism offers a timeless, practical guide to cultivating a genuine happiness. The Buddha taught that suffering is not external but arises from within, specifically from craving and attachment. We cling to things we want and we push away things we don't. This constant striving creates inner turbulence. Therefore, the first steps towards a better life is recognizing that true peace begins not with changing the world, but with changing our minds. The foundation of peace, ethical living Buddhist practice, rests on the fundamental or the foundation of sila, morality, or ethical conduct. This means living with integrity, practicing non-harming, ahimsa, and being mindful of our speech and action. When our actions are rooted in kindness, we create an immediate sense of safety and harmony, both for ourselves and for those around us. An ethical life is a stable life, free from the heavy burden of guilt and regret. Beyond mere non-harming is the active cultivation of positive quality, primarily metta, loving kindness, and karuna, compassion. Metta is the wish for all beings to be happy. Karuna is the wish for all beings to be free from suffering. When we approach others and ourselves with compassion, our focus shifts from what can I get to how can I help. This expansion of the heart dissolves the wall of self-concern that causes so much loneliness and fear. A life dedicated to compassion is, by definition, a meaningful and better life. The tool for transformation is mindfulness. How do we achieve this? Through mindfulness sati. We use our mindfulness. So mindfulness is the practice of paying attention non-judgmentally to the present moment. It is the simple acts of noticing our thoughts, feeling, and sensation as they arise and pass. This practice prevents us from being swept away by emotional reactions and allow us to see reality clearly. Mindfulness gives us a critical pause, the space between stimulus and response. In that space, we find our freedom. When we see clearly, we choose wisely, and when we choose wisely, we choose peace. The Buddhist path to a better life and peace is not abstract. It is a daily commitment to stop harming, cultivate kindness, train the mind to be present. By embracing this simple yet powerful principle, we can transform our inner landscapes, and in doing so, contribute to the peace of the entire world. Thank you.